Hello everyone, welcome back my channel Coding Crowd. I hope you all are doing well and our new topic which is a raise exception, right? So in our exception handling and logging topic which is we have already completed the types of error topic. Next is the exception handling and our third topic which is a raise exception, right? So let's begin this topic. So in Python you can raise an exception using the raise keyword. When you raise an exception, you are indicating that error or exceptional situation has occurred in a program. So here is some basic syntax of raising this. So this is how it will work. So let's take any one example. So basically raise keyword is with error type, right? You can create a custom error messages that help you debug your code or handle unexpected situations, right? So let's take one example. Age is equal to, and basically age is in a integer, so we'll type here int and input, right? So age is equal to int input, right? And if age is less than 0, raise value error, raise value error, okay, raise value error, and we can write any custom message here like age cannot be negative, right? If we are creating any application, we can use this topic there. If anyone is writing age in negative numbers, then we here it will there will show as cannot be a negative. Let's execute this code and see what is error can occur. So if I will write here 1, right, it is giving me a correct. Again execute this code, and if I will write here -4 and now, so you can see here it is giving me a error, right? Age cannot be negative. Here it will explain the error. So this can use in any application if we are creating. So this code we can use there. If any programmer is writing a -4 or any values in a minus, then it will give this type of error like age cannot be negative, or we can write any custom messages here. It will show like that, right? So we can use anything which you want, you can use in this topic. I hope you like my video, and if you have any question you can raise in a comment section. Thank you everyone.